In a land of monuments to people and events, there is nothing to mark the Tonypandy riots. There's no memorial to some of the most significant events in 20th century Welsh history. Even the one certain victim of the Tonypandy riots lies here in an unmarked grave. He was a collier, a bachelor who lived in lodgings, aged about 40. The press of the day garbled his name. Boyce, Royce, Reyes, Samuel Reyes, who died of a head wound inflicted by an unidentified blunt object during the riots of 1910. No one was blamed. Samuel Reyes has been forgotten. And yet Tonypandy has had its lasting memorials in the mind. For what actually happened and what people believe to have happened has had a profound influence for 70 years. The violence of those November nights has been the focus of bitter argument ever since. There was, for example, another man who considered himself a victim of the Tonypandy riots. The press always got his name right. Winston Leonard Spencer Churchill.